and welcome to Little Freaks channel. Do you know it's raining very fast? And do you know in rain we make boats and then drive them. I love making boats. So today I'm going to show you how to make a boat. Do you know the first part is easy? We need to just fold it in half. And you know when the easiest part will come, I will just show you. Take this and take this corner to that corner. 2 times. Now open it. When you open it, there are lines. Take this part to that part. And that part to this part. This come part. Here it is. Now, when you do this, just hold it backwards. Now for the other side. But actually, do you know we need to do it from the side which is not with the paper. Now you will have this part, and even at the underneath part, you will have two corners. I'm gonna just show you these 2 corners. Take the both corners and fold them at the back. But the both are cards in the opposite directions because the boat needs to have something if someone is falling. Do you know sometimes now we have this part. Fold it. Just gonna take it out. It looks like a cap now, but not yet. We are gonna just fold it. Alright, open and fold. Why isn't this part coming nicer? Oh, now I get it. You have something like this. No. Take the under part to the upper part. I mean the below part. You have something like this, kind of. Do you know then you need to take this one to, you know how to do this part. Just this to that. And now carefully take that and to this end. Because if you not make it straight, you will have something like this. Now again that part. Just fold it into like that. Now it's time for the last part. Take the sides and then open it. Fold all the ends into right corners. Now here you go, a beautiful boat. We need to just make hearts. A little designing will always do the trick. Let's just put the boat in this side. Let's start making beautiful hearts. So the boat will look pretty. Do you know whenever it rains, I make a boat and then I just float it. You know, one day it was raining and I was making boats and I had a very big bag and I filled them with boats. That was a very nice day. Now in this rain it's very rainy. So when the rain will stop, I will drive a boat. On that day, I just saw and I saw it down. The rain was raining a little lightly. Then when I saw on the roads, it was a beautiful pattern dot 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 in the boat. Then I'm gonna tell you what happened. Then when the rain stopped, the dots gone. That was the type of magic. Me and my brother said, "Oh, it's type of magic." But magic don't exist. I think then the wind blew and then the dots got drier. That's what happened in the real. But guys, I wish the magic would exist. Our boat is almost getting done. Ooh, what a beautiful boat I made. It will drive whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And guys, today I told you how to make a boat. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my channel. Bye.